Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is JSGuleriea and I'm back with another video for you all. Guys, today I'm going to talk about Rashid Yachts Marina, another fabulous development by Emaar, and it is going to be a waterfront property. But before I give you information about this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share my videos, and do not forget to hit that bell icon. Now let's start the video. I am at the site of Rashid Yachts Marina by Emaar. You can see the banner behind me. This complete development consists of 3,000 residential units and 14,000 retail units. I don't want to miss out on the major attractions in this development like floating restaurants, floating yacht club, 430 yacht berth parking, 500 meters swimmable canal pool, and as well as retail and dining at your doorstep. This project is located on the Arabian Gulf, particularly on the Port Rashid side, which is very close to the old town and very close to all the major locations in Dubai. So if I have to compare, this is around 15-20 minutes drive to the international airport and 12 to 15 minutes drive to Burj Khalifa and Dubai Mall. This project has a huge potential of giving highest ROI and capital appreciation. If you are aware of Dubai's market, the waterfront properties price have gone sky high. Currently, the prices are very affordable in this development.
A community to live, discover and indulge in a glamorous seafront destination.
This development offers 1 to 4 bedroom apartments and penthouses, and the price just starts from 1.15 million dirhams only. Now, having a wide range of options, you should be very careful while selecting the unit because it will be different for investment and self-use. Regarding that, give me a call and let me help you to select the best apartment for yourself. So guys, this was all from my side. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and be safe.